Welcome back to my channel, fam. This is Gene, aka LS Turbo Integ, and in this video I'm pretty much getting prepped for the Rennsport Dragon Rally that's coming up here. And just a quick video of the downpipe install from Soul Performance. I'm also gonna have some video clips here of painting my calipers, as well as installing my new Michelin Super Pilots on the car. So let's get to it. Alright guys, I got the cover off and just wanted to show you what we're working with. Here you go. There's the cat, then the elbow, then it comes this way, and then here, this long piece. And I believe, oh yeah, this is where it splits. So that Y section, maybe you guys can see it here. That Y section here. So that'll split off to that exhaust. And then I'll have to disconnect that right there. And on this side, disconnect it from right there. So shouldn't be too bad. Finding out where you gotta disconnect parts from. So I got 2 bolts there, 2 more here, then these brackets, this piece, and then that clamp for the turbo. Alright guys, let me get to it. Hey fam, it's Gene aka LS Turbo Integ. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I've already finished painting the calipers. 5 coats of paint with 4 coats of clear using VHT paint. Take a look. Came out really good. And this matches my roll cage. And what I'm gonna do today, fam, is I'm gonna go ahead and remove everything. Remove the plastic cover. I'm still waiting for the decals to come in. Porsche logo in black. I think that'll look a lot better than white. But what I'm gonna do today is get everything off, and I think I'm gonna continue on the exhaust work. Let me explain to you guys what's going on. I ran into a bit of a snag. Originally, the tips are firing downward, which is the only way to run the exhaust with this. The exhaust tip, so the exhaust actually doesn't come out through the back, it fires downward. So I had a muffler shop make these tips for me. And basically, let's see, how did I have it? I had it like this, firing down, just to give you an example. And I had an X-pipe from Soul Performance that I was gonna use, which is this one here. And unfortunately, guys, the situation I'm running into, is this is what it would look like, you guys. It does not fit. It's the same exact dimensions as the exhaust, so it's the wrong X-pipe that was sent. However, on this end, it actually does fit. See how it slides on? So this section here should be the same here, but it's not. So I've contacted Soul Performance, and they are sending me the correct one. I just gotta wait. They're gonna overnight it on Monday because I'm leaving for the Rennsport Dragon Rally. Supposed to have been leaving on Wednesday, but now it looks like we're gonna leave on Thursday, just because things came up that was out of my control. But what I'm gonna do today is I could still install the exhaust, and I'll do one side. The other side will be kind of on, but loosely, because once you put the X-pipe in, you need one side of the exhaust to be able to move, to slide in right in here. Or this side, doesn't matter, you can pick a side, and then I'll have that, and then this part will be firing downward. The reason why I went with the X-pipe is I think I was kind of bottlenecking the system using what I had the muffler shop, and this was kind of what we needed to do at the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and correct that issue, and that's the reason for the X-pipe. So waiting for that to come in. Hopefully on Tuesday, guys, I can finish up the work here, and from there, as soon as the decals come in, I can put the decals on, and I'm done with that. The wheels and tires have already been mounted and balanced and installed, so I just got to slap those on as soon as those decals come on. I don't want to put the wheels on and then take them back off when the decals come in, so that doesn't make any sense. I really do want to get this guy off the lift here, but